Are you having trouble accessing places with your scooter, power chair, or wheelchair? Add freedom back to your life with Roll-A-Ramp. Roll-A-Ramp is the portable accessibility solution for your home, van, RV, boat, and more. Roll the ramp up at home and take it with you. Roll-A-Ramp is available in any length and 6 different widths to accommodate various mobility devices and can hold up to 1,000 pounds. Our ramps are supported by adjustable support stands where needed and held in place by a sturdy rubber-coated end plate. Aircraft aluminum construction prevents rust from the elements, and you can easily add or remove ramp sections to change the ramp length as you need, so you're not stuck with one length after purchasing. Roll-A-Ramp can be configured to comply with the Americans with Disabilities Act and does not require special building permits. Roll-A-Ramp is where strength and flexibility meet and is an excellent way to add accessibility to your home. To order, call 866-883-4722 or email sales@rollaramp.com and make your home more accessible today. Or to find a dealer closest to you, go to rollaramp.com.